Today, we're diving into something close to my heart, a journey of renewal, a fresh start. Did you know everyone living in the United States can have a legal new credit file? Let me share a bit of my own financial journey. I faced those sleepless nights, the weight of financial struggles. But today, we're not dwelling on the past. We're embracing a new beginning, a chance to rewrite our financial story. Now, let's talk about the incredible features of starting fresh. It's not just about having a new credit file with a 750+ credit score. It's about the peace of mind, the renewed hope, and the joy of overcoming challenges. Imagine the emotional high of seeing your efforts turn into a brighter, more secure future when lenders beg for your business. With a legal new credit file backed by the 1974 Privacy Act law, you can actually start over with confidence to build a brighter future for you and your family. Once approved for credit under your new credit identity, you can start using it responsibly to build a positive credit history. Imagine being able to buy the home of your dreams or start the business you've always wanted without being held back by a bad credit history. Give us a call and learn the amazing advantages of starting over fresh. It's a feeling like no other. Give it a chance and have double and triple the borrowing power. Get started today.